I'm Vicki. Welcome to Make Life Special and another visit in Vicki's Kitchen. Are you looking for a quick and easy potato recipe that you can make for dinner tonight? Well, my onion roasted potatoes will be perfect. You start with 4 potatoes. Just leave the skins on them. You don't even have to peel them. And dice them just about this size. We're going to put these in a casserole dish. And you want to spread these out just a little bit. And then we're going to drizzle these with 1/4 cup of olive oil. You know, I love recipes like this that just have a very few ingredients, but the end result is absolutely wonderful. Tonight I'm serving these with barbecued ribs, and they'll be absolutely perfect. So we're going to drizzle this with, again, 1/4 cup of olive oil. And then just take 1 packet of dry onion soup mix and sprinkle it on top. And that's all there is to this. This is ready just to pop into the oven. I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven. Bake it for 30 to 35 minutes, and we'll be back and serve it up. I've just taken our onion roasted potatoes out of the oven, and look how delicious they are. These baked for 35 minutes, and I'm going to show you the little serving idea I have for these tonight. I'm actually going to be serving these up in a little individual casserole dishes, and I think this just adds a real nice touch to the meal. I like to use individual serving dishes whenever I can. I've used that idea a lot with pasta recipes too. And I just think it makes an added special touch for the meal. And I'll put it on a little serving plate. Remember, let's make life special by sharing great food with our family and friends. Enjoy.